never regret vacations, and now it's time to come fly with Amy. So this video is an exciting video because I'm going on a cruise. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amy. I am a professional traveler and travel agent who lives in Florida, so I'm always doing Florida activities as well as traveling all around the world. In the cruise video today, we are sailing on Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas, which is currently ported in Port Canaveral, which just happens to be a couple minutes from where we reside, which is too close to be honest. So we are taking a weekend cruise. We do leave tomorrow, which is October 28th, and we come back home on October 31st, which is Monday. So it's a nice little 3-night weekend getaway. In this video, you're going to see the embarkation process as well as a room tour. And then I'm also going to tack on a little bit of footage of perfect day at CocoCay. But first, to kind of give you just some of the details as to embarkation, as of today's video, which is October 27th, there's no requirements for vaccinated travelers if you are sailing on a shorter cruise. So we are going on with no COVID tests. We are going on with just our passports and our vaccination cards. So it's really nice to start seeing those guidelines start to loosen up even further. Our stateroom type is a panoramic ocean view. So there's a little bit of a story behind this room. So we did book a guarantee room. I do want to preface this by saying we booked this about 2.5 weeks ago. So again, a late booking, if you will, last minute. So we got a guarantee ocean view room. That's what we paid for. We got a room assignment, I would say about maybe a week and a half ago. It wasn't all that long ago. And our room was on the second floor. And it was one of those rooms that has a porthole ocean view room, and your bed is right up against the porthole, which was fine. Honestly, it's 3 nights. We went in, guarantee, you just never know what you're going to get. And we were totally fine with that room. But if you sail Royal, you may know this, they offer this promotion. It's called Power Up. It is a way to essentially auction off any additional rooms they may have. And you put a bid in and they consider it. And if you get considered, you pay the amount that you bid and then they upgrade you. So yes, you're still paying for an upgrade, but it's a nice way to get a very discounted upgrade. So I did put in a couple of bids for Power Up. I did a spacious ocean view room, I did a balcony, and I did the panoramic ocean view balcony. Well, we ended up getting the room that I wanted, which was the panoramic ocean view. So just to describe that room category for you, it is a newer area on the ship. This was previously part of the gym, from my understanding and research, and they took those rooms during its amplified refurbishment process a couple years ago, and they redid that section of rooms, making what we now call is a spacious panoramic ocean view. So if you can imagine what a balcony door looks like, remember it's all glass. Most of the time you just slide that open. That's what this room looks like. It's just there's no slide to go outside because it's only an ocean view. So I'm really excited to show you this room, and I'm excited to show you our embarkation process and then enjoy perfect day at CocoCay. So let's go set sail.
When you arrive into Port Canaveral, prior to parking, you'll drop your bags off here. A quick trip through security and you're on your way to board. If you are a U.S. citizen, it is highly recommended to board utilizing a passport. If you don't have a passport, don't worry, you can still cruise. You just need your government-issued birth certificate as well as valid photo ID. When you check in for your sailing via the Royal Caribbean website, you'll get a boarding group to board the boat. In this case, we ended up not waiting at all. Once all your documents have been checked, you'll be on your way to vacation.
All right, so we're getting ready to board. So the process was super seamless. Corey's excited over here, right, Corey? Hi. So the process was very easy. We actually arrived earlier than our boarding time. Our boarding time was supposed to be at noon, and we got here about 11:15, and it was just right on. So we're about to get on the boat right now. Overall, the full check-in process took about 15 minutes. So super easy and very seamless. First look here, we are at Port Canaveral. Carnival Liberty is right down there, and the Wish is right behind us. We are on a cruise boat. We are so excited. We're gonna enjoy this nice little weekend. Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. All right, so we just got to our stateroom. We are in stateroom number 1840 for reference. The room category is a spacious panoramic ocean view. As I mentioned in my pre-video, we did get an upgrade through the Power Up program, so we did pay a little bit to be in this room, but I'm super thrilled with this room, and let me turn you around and show you why. All right, as you come into the room, again, we're number 1840. It's real nice that they have these little magnets that basically say when you're sleeping or when you want your room fixed up. You do have, as normal setup, you do have the hallway here leading into your room. Plenty of storage space. I will say that this room recently got renovated back during the amplification process. So you'll see there's plenty of storage space, of course our life jackets, but everything's new. The finishes are new, the carpeting is new. So I don't think every room in this ship looks like this one, but again, we got lucky because this got refurbished during that time period. So bathroom, pretty standard bathroom, but again, updated, looks really nice. Salt and Sea Breeze soap, looks nice. You do have some shelving here in the bathroom with all of your fixings. You do also have a little closet in here if you need that. Shower. I do like that in the shower you do have the folding doors versus the curtain. And then in here you do have a hair and body wash mix. So that's that. All right, and here is the sofa area. We did just pile our bags on here. I don't think this pulls out. I'll double check that, but I don't think this pulls out. It's a fixed sofa. So I think you can sleep only 2 in here, but I'll double check on that and drop a comment if I'm wrong. Right when you come in here, you do have your beverage cooler. You do have some additional space, safe, a beautiful vanity to get ready. Drawer for storage. They do provide masks if you'd like them, and then we also did get the beverage package. So with the deluxe beverage package, it does include alcohol as well as soft beverages, but we got the nice Coke Freestyle cups. There are tons of very deep drawers. Actually, this is unique. We've been on a lot of cruises recently and it's very little drawer space, so it's really nice to see that. You do have our bed. We have a little end table there with some storage. This is a king bed, so it looks really nice with the rounded edges, just makes it a little bit nicer and easier to get around. This TV does pull out. I'm working with one hand here, so I'm not as good at pulling it out, but it does pull out and swivel, so you can do that. And then the best part, because this is considered a spacious ocean view stateroom with panoramic window, we do have these really nice chairs that we have turned around. So it almost feels like we have a balcony. It's just we're not exposed to the elements outside, but we will have such a nice view. Look at these windows, huge. But we will have the most beautiful view of the ocean right here. So that is our room.
Welcome to Perfect Day at CocoCay. This island is Royal Caribbean's private island and is located in the Bahamas. This island recently underwent a massive renovation to expand and add new amenities. If you've previously been, the island will look a lot different today. Prior to visiting the island, I highly recommend looking at what is complimentary and what is an additional charge. There are some add-ons you can do directly through the app. Personally, we enjoyed our day at the complimentary pool and then visited Chill Beach before heading back to the boat.
And there was our boarding and embarkation video. I also dropped in a couple clips here of Perfect Day at CocoCay. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, hit a thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you're looking to book your next cruise, whether that be Royal Caribbean or another cruise line, let me know. I'd love to help you plan your next trip. My details are listed in the description below. And until next time, happy travels. Bye.